Welcome to Aruby. It's 1,500 square feet and has an entry with plenty of space for shelving or a nice piece of furniture. This apartment offers a great space to entertain. The open floor plan has large windows, making it a bright and cheery apartment. The center island here is a perfect place for 2 or 3 bar stools, and it provides a lot of storage, including these deep cookware drawers. The great room offers space for a dining table or a large china hutch. There's plenty of wall space for your artwork. The desk is conveniently located in the great room across from the kitchen. The decks offer a great view of the waterfalls, fountains, and walking paths that include many bridges and some beautiful scenery. The walking paths offer a great opportunity for healthy exercise. The master suite is spacious, with huge windows facing 2 different directions. This master closet has both built-in shelving and drawers. This master bathroom features double sinks, a 0-entry shower, and a linen closet. There's also a linen cabinet here in the bathroom. The guest bedroom is oftentimes used as an office, a den, or whatever you want that room to be. It too has 3 floor-to-ceiling windows. The guest bathroom also offers a step-in shower. A pantry closet is located here in the hallway. The laundry room has a standard side-by-side washer and dryer with cabinets above. And don't miss this large closet. Each Ruby has different finishes. The others may have different cabinets or different hard surface flooring, such as tile or another type of wood. So each one has its own look and personality. You are able to change any of these finishes to customize it to be your own dream home. For more information on any of our floor plans, call 515-978-2982 or go to our website for more information, discoveredgewater.com.